A bike ride, one big waterfall and a lost drone. We're out to discover Guizhou, and this is Drone and Phone.
Well, the weather has turned a little bit cold and chilly this morning. We're on episode 4 in our Guizhou adventure. Jack, what are we going to do today?
Today we're going to go for cycling around 12 to 16, depends on the roads. Then we go up to some beautiful rock.
Okay, and I think we're going to finish off by going into the town. Let me just quickly explain to you the system they have along this cycle trail. So it's 150 kilometers, but every 10 kilometers you'll find a lodge like this, which has got food and
hotel rooms.
Very nice. I've got to say, we've stayed at them and they are very, very comfortable. And if I can just show you behind us, you can see you have all of these bikes which you can put in. They cost just 10 yuan an hour.
Yeah, 10 yuan an hour.
And you can use WeChat to scan them and get going. And as always, a quick shout out to our sponsors, to Phila Raven for their clothing, we're going to need it today. And to Osprey for their backpacks, which we love of course, and also to Life Straw for their bottles. Right Jack, let's get going.
Yeah, let's go.
The 154-kilometre Churchway bike track provides a unique way to visit this beautiful valley in China. It's also possible to hike along the trail, as we found this mass group hike that had set off through the night.
I walk for about 50 kilometers today.
And what's it like walking on this trail? How is it for you?
It's very beautiful, and to get a sightseeing.
Preferring the bikes, we pushed on to reach the Buddha Light Rock, where we left the bikes, bought tickets at the gate and began a hike through the forest.
Well, I've come off the bikes and into a park. You have to pay to get in here, I must say. It's about, we think, a 12-kilometre walk and a lot of steps, about a 700-metre climb, but at the end there's supposed to be quite a reward with one fantastic waterfall.
The walk has a lot to offer as you follow a stream past waterfalls, pools and natural rock formations. The trail climaxes at a lotus flower viewing platform, from where you get your first view of the 385-metre drop of Buddha Light Rock Waterfall. For those who don't mind a drenching, a small path takes you higher to a spot very close to the falls.
Well, this is quite phenomenal. What a view you have here, looking up as the waterfall gushes down. Jack, what do you say?
No, I don't want to go, I want to stay here. It's so nice.
It's absolutely beautiful. Now we're about halfway. What else have we got to do today?
There's 6 more K to go. We will have another small peak to go up. The view is gonna be even nice.
And then a bike ride and then a trek back. We've still got a long way to go, so we better get going. But before I go, just one more look. Look at that! I was flying the drone up here, beautiful shots, but unfortunately I tried to land it down here because I couldn't find the place where I was. I didn't have a home point, and I saw that as a landing spot, but as I coming down it just started losing control because there's no GPS, and these people here have said that they saw it come in here somewhere, but I think it's going to be a bit of a needle in the haystack, but let's give it a go, shall we?
A few minutes later, this man emerged from the bushes with my drone and then refused to take a tip I had offered him for his efforts.
Unbelievable, yeah? How many crashes we have to do? Huh?
With the drone safely back in my bag, we continued around the trail that takes you over to the 5 Fingers, 5 protruding rocks that overlook the Pear Valley.
Well, the sun has just come out. If you look down here, you can see the valley that we've come up. This is the valley along here. We came all the way up down here, and then up to the waterfall. You can see the road where we walked. We didn't go on the road, but there's a path next to it. Onwards and upwards, still 700 meters to go.
Just before we began the long descent to the entrance where we had left our bikes, we were once again met with Guizhou hospitality.
This man here is being very kind. He's offering to take my bag for me because he thinks I'm an old man. Jack thinks it's very funny. These guys in Guizhou, I've got to say, they are the nicest people in the world.
Amazing province. I love Guizhou. Amazing.
It is a fantastic place. So many people so happy to help you, and believe me, he's not doing it for money. He's doing it just because he wants to help, and that's great.
Once we arrive back on the road, there's an option to take a shuttle bus back to the entrance.
So while Jack is going to choose to take the bus down, I'm going to run it.
I told him it's a better way to go down. He will listen to me.
There he is, Jack in the bags.
I don't repeat it's boring.
How was your ride?
After a quick bowl of noodles, we were back on the bikes and heading to Tucheng, the soft light of the late afternoon. We dropped the bikes at a bike station and hiked the last 3 kilometers to the town.
One of the great things about coming down the Guizhou River is all the way along are these ancient towns like Tucheng, the one I'm in right now, and there's plenty more to look at. You can stop off along the way, spend a few minutes to relax and enjoy some of the ancient culture here.
There are plenty of reminders of the Long March, including school children whose uniforms replicate the Red Army of the 1930s.
Nice to meet you. Look at these, more Drone and Phone fans. Look at these guys here. Well, it's been a hard old day, Jack, but very rewarding, eh?
Yeah, it was fantastic. From the morning in the rain to the sunny day in the afternoon. Really beautiful.
And as always, please like and subscribe wherever you see this show. You'll also find our previous episodes on droneandphone.com. My name's DJ Clark.
I'm Jack.
And this is Drone and Phone!
Enjoy the view. Class. They gave me a go bike. So my leg was not stretching for the whole day after 90 kilometers.
Always complaining. Always
That
complaining.
good stuff leaves the crap for me.
You don't know what I endure for this show.